Hello, my name is Michaela and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing chicken with chickpeas and bell pepper. Ingredients are 2 chicken breasts, 1 bell pepper, 1 can of chickpeas, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper and gyros spices. We are starting with the onion. First I'm gonna peel it and then cut it into small pieces. Once onion is chopped, I'm taking each breast and giving it a quick wash under the water before cutting it. I prefer small pieces of meat, but if you prefer bigger ones or if you want to save time, it's okay. It's going to be still fine. Now we will chop our bell pepper. I use this red one, but color really doesn't matter. I usually use what I have currently in my fridge. Last thing we are gonna be cutting is garlic. And in this video I am cutting it by hand, but if you have garlic press or something to do this more efficiently, by all means do. I would do it that way also, but mine is broken. Now I will use the strainer to get rid of a liquid in which were chickpeas stored. And we are moving to the stove, yay! So we will use a little bit of vegetable oil, on which we will do the onion. We have to stir onion quite often so it doesn't get burned. We are waiting till it softens a little bit and starts to get a little bit golden. Now when onion is looking better, we are adding our chicken pieces to the pan. We are adding few pinches of salt, some pepper, and also some generous spices from the store. Once we have all the spices in, we will mix it all together and wait till the chicken looks done, like till nothing looks raw. I am adding garlic now because if I would add it to the onion, I would be scared that it would get burnt. So after the meat looks quite fine, I will add garlic. Now we add bell pepper and mix it again properly. Then we will add our chickpeas almost right after that. I think that it really doesn't matter when you will add them, if they will go first or the bell pepper will go first. In the meantime, I filled up my kettle to let some water boil, which we will add to the pan later. And here I am trying to organize pan and pot on the stove so it doesn't fall. And I figured it out. So that's great. This water will be actually for my rice. So I'm just gonna let it boil and then I will use just regular rice in back. So water for my rice is boiling, so I'm adding rice, and I've also added salt, and I'm also using for this recipe the curry spices, like to make it a little bit more, I don't know how to say it, more flavorful. Like it really gets much more nicer finish if it's curry in the rice. And I will let it boil for 17 minutes. Alright, so my meal is finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspiring or motivating. Maybe you will try this meal for yourself as well. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!